Oh, what's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lazy Akins here, as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is a gele tutorial video, so I'm gonna do a quick tutorial video here. So obviously you need your gele, your pin, and I got my gele. I divided it into two, and then I stayed twisting it. Once I twisted it, and then I pocket it into my head. This style is very easy and simple and quick, legit quick. So I tighten it, fasten it to my head to sit properly, and I get the two hands, and I literally just nicely tie it round to give it that rose look at the top. And then I grab my pin and I pin it to secure it into place. I've only put one pin on mine, but you can always put more than one to just make sure it sits well. I just use my hand to secure it and move it around, and as you can see, I've got my rose gele, period. That's it. I'm taking it off to show you guys. See, when I took it off, it kind of came off a bit, but yeah, I got a pin to secure that. So I'm just putting it on my head to show you that you can wear it slightly different. Put my hair down. I whip my hair back and forth. Okay, so I put my hair down, and then I wear it again. As you can see, it's simple and easy. You can wear it over your head. You can wear it with your hair in the ponytail. You can wear it with your hair all back, as this suits you. This is so simple, so easy. You can wear it to church, you can wear it to parties, you can wear it to stand out. Anyways, that's the end. See you in my next video. Subscribe.